Where in the world are legal marijuana countries? Legal marijuana countries are hard to find because legalizing it has always been a touchy subject for most. However, through the years, there are more and more legal marijuana countries, or close enough to be legal, that set to legalize the use of marijuana for medical reasons, while others are for recreational purposes. According to Wikipedia, many countries have decriminalized the small possession of quantities of cannabis, particularly in North America, South America, and Europe. Furthermore, possession is legal or effectively legal in the Netherlands, North Korea, and the United States of Washington and Colorado at the state level. A larger number of countries have decriminalized or legalized cannabis for medical purposes. The United States, Canada, Austria, Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, Israel, Italy, Finland, and Portugal have passed laws so you can legally buy marijuana for medical use. Whatever reasons there are, these green-loving people have a voice that needs to be heard. Cannabis is known to give relief. A lot of studies show that people who are using cannabis as part of their pain control experience lower levels of pain. The plant has psychoactive property that hits the brain's emotional response to pain. This actually causes patients to feel a decrease in the pain they actually feel. For scientists, any reduction of pain levels is very significant. If the use of medical marijuana eases patients from fits of terrible pain, then who has the right to get in the way? As an organic therapy, truly, Mother Nature knows best. For some legal marijuana countries, this is the sole purpose why they allow the use of cannabis. So, if you are a backpacking enthusiast marijuana activist, your travel guide should know the following legal marijuana countries and what to do and what not to do. So here are a couple examples. In Belgium, people above 18 are not allowed to smoke marijuana in front of minors and in public. Before setting foot in Australia, know that there are some regions, such as Queensland and Tasmania, that are partial to the use of cannabis. They decriminalize possession even in small amount, but charges are dropped. In Nepal, you can do with giving a small bribe when caught, but because there is no implementation of the laws against marijuana use there. What is the newest medical marijuana country that has become legal? Huffington Post recently reported Czech President Klaus has signed into law legislation that makes it legal in the Czech Republic to use marijuana for medical treatment. This law, the use of medical marijuana, is only allowed to patients needing this special indication in their treatment. This usually pertains to people suffering from chronic pain or illness like cancer patients. In the Czech Republic, patients need to get prescription from their doctors for their medicinal use. Patients are not allowed to grow their own marijuana, though. Despite the approval of medicinal marijuana, there are still some cannabis activists holding out from popping the champagne bottle because they are not too happy of some of the law specifications. One of which is the legalization only allows imported marijuana to circulate in the market from other legal marijuana countries. Czech Republic says that it needs to meet quality standards. Some of the medical cannabis activists pin it down to economic and legal power plays. If the state only allows imported medical marijuana, the cost of the product increases. Thus, the market value becomes expensive, which is contrary to one of the purposes medical marijuana is preferred. They are more organic and less expensive than pharmaceutical enhanced medications. The control of cannabis sources in legal marijuana countries may also lead to market monopolization and exploitation. But all is well that ends well. Medical marijuana is legal in the Czech Republic. For any other hang-ups, know that no one ever got anything they want even for legal marijuana countries. All countries have had their share of law modifications to deal with. And lastly, if you step in Czech Republic, make sure you have a signed prescription from your doctor or you are suffering from a chronic disease. Legal marijuana countries, such as Czech Republic, or close enough countries, like Australia, have their own marijuana sentiments and are doing their best to reach a compromise for the good of all. Let us know what you think.